Hey, welcome back. This is Mike, Ketorific Journey, your reformed fat man. Well, the reformed fat man got some caramel Javy. It's a coffee concentrate, and I'm going to make something with it, but if you're interested in getting some, you can get it. I have a 20% discount code, and it's down in the description, and it'll get you 20% off of your order. So I love this stuff. It's great. So let's make up some coffee. It's an iced coffee, by the way. Okay, so I'm going to put some water in here. This is a measuring cup. I'm putting about a cup of water. Actually, I'm going to put a little more. There we go. That's about 2 cups of water right there. Now I'm making a double dose of this. I'm doing it for number 2 granddaughter and my wife. So they're going to do the taste test for us. Get that mixed up. Let me get a sweetener here. Using the liquid Splenda. If you're gonna put Splenda, don't use the powdered unless you just don't have a choice. I'm gonna add a little bit of caramel and some vanilla to it. It's already got caramel in it, but I'm gonna add just a little bit. This is the vanilla. And here comes a splash more of caramel because they both like caramel. There we go, just a splash. And I'm going to mix this together. Now I'm going to split this between these 2 glasses here. Did I get close? Not quite. There we go. Splitting it between those 2. I've got some flax milk here. Let's add some ice to it. I'll get the ice and show you what it looks like in just a second. Add it to it. Okay, let's add a little whipped cream on here. There we go. Where's my other straw? That'll have to do. So don't see another metal one. Don't know where they got them to. So, voila. Hold this up where we can get a thumbnail from it. Now, let's see how they like it. Alrighty, so we are joined by the lovely Miss Paige and my wonderful and beautiful granddaughter, Madison, aka Maddie. Don't call me Madison. And they are going to do the taste test for us. So, ladies.
I like it. Do you like it?
That's really good.
This is really good.
And that's Javy coffee, folks, from concentrate. You want to try it? There is a link down in the description that'll get you 20% off. So it's basically you telling them Mike sent you. So
Yummy.
worth it.
Yeah.
so economically it's not bad for you get several glasses of coffee or whatever, how you want to look at it and all. And I didn't use a ton of it in there because I made it you can use 1 to 2 teaspoons, and I used 1 for each of what you have. So enjoy. All righty, thank y'all, and everybody, y'all be careful out there. I think she likes it. Good to the last drop. Uh-oh, that's somebody else's coffee. I'm sorry. Good to the bottom of the cup. Good to the